What do you do when you have leftover mashed potatoes, but not enough for a complete meal and too much to throw away? Well, you make gnocchi. I have 1 cup, or almost a cup, of leftover mashed potatoes. These are cheddar mashed potatoes. Add 1 egg. And we have 2 cups of flour. Now, we may not need all of it, so I'm going to add maybe 1/4 of it to start. That still needs more. Looks like we're only going to need 1 cup of the flour. It all depends on how moist your mashed potatoes were. Okay, we got that all mixed up. Now we're going to let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Our dough is rested for about 15 minutes, and I just dumped it out of the bowl onto a floured surface, and we're just going to knead it for a little bit. Till it's not so sticky. I'm going to divide it into some smaller pieces. Kind of want to roll it out. We got our dough rolled out into these little ropes. We're just going to cut them into little pieces. About a 1/2 inch. And that's our gnocchi. I have a pot of boiling water, and we're just going to drop our gnocchis into the pot, a few at a time. And when they float to the surface, they're done. It takes maybe 1-2 minutes. Here are a few of the gnocchi after I boiled them. I'm sauteing them up in butter with a little garlic and green onion. These I tossed with a little marinara and topped with some Parmesan cheese. So what I sauteed in butter and garlic. Serving those with a drizzle of sour cream and garnished with more green onion.